everyone, today I'm sharing with you 5 Instagram story hacks that you can use to boost your creativity and to slow the scroll of your audience so that makes your story stand out among the crowd. So let's get into it. The first tip I wanted to show you guys is how to change the background on your Instagram story. So you don't have to use any other apps. You can use any single color in this app right here. So let me show you how to do it. First, let's take a picture. Not the best picture of me, but let's click the drawing and then you can click any of the colors down below. I want orange. And then you hold down on the screen and it turns your screen the color that you would like. Or if you hold down the specific color at the bottom, you can see a wide range of colors down there that you can use for any of those. So I like this pink one, and then you can just hold it again and it'll change it to whatever color you'd like. Another tip is you can hit the eraser and you can erase different parts of the screen that you would like. This is getting creepier by the moment, but that's just how this one works. The second tip I have for you guys is how to make your emojis stand out. So I want you to click, and I have a solid background like I showed you guys before, and I want you to click into text and go to neon, and then you can pick from any of your emojis that you would like. I like the laughing crying face, it's one of my favorites. And it makes it stand out along the background so it doesn't fall back into the background. I like to use yellow as my background a lot, and I don't want my emojis to be hidden and it's really hard for them to be seen. So I like to use this hack so that it makes them stand out against the background. The third hack I want to show you is how to do rainbow text. I'm still a little bit rusty on how to do this, but I wanted to show you guys in case you wanted to try it out for yourself. So you're gonna go and pick whatever text you would like. I really like to use strong, if I can get to it. And I'm gonna type in, hello, my name is Kayla. I'm going to put that at the bottom, and then I'm going to select all, and then go down and do the hack I showed you guys before on how to get different colors for the background. Click that and drag along at the same time. And then you have rainbow text. The fourth hack is actually super cool. It uses your live photos and turns them into boomerangs. So I'm going to go into my photos, I'm going to swipe up and click this picture I took of my dog right before I did this video. She fell asleep on my lap and I just thought it was really cute. So I'm going to press and hold on the photo because it is a live photo. Make sure it's a live photo or this won't work. So if you hold on it and it's spinning and then it makes a boomerang, and then you can switch the filter if you would like or do whatever you would like. But yeah, it's a really easy way to get a boomerang. And the fifth hack I'm going to show you guys is how to turn your pictures into stickers on your Instagram story. I'm going to go right into my photos and show you guys how to do this. So I have the background I would like, and I'm going to switch over and do one of the pictures. That picture is so bad. But I'm going to go and look at one of the pictures I took of my sister the other night. I really like this one. I think it's cute. I'm going to go and copy it, go back into Instagram, and then hold down and hit, and go to text, hold down and hit paste, and then you have the picture you would like. And you can make it bigger or smaller as you would like, but I'm just gonna put that one there. If you go into Google and type in whatever you would like, .png, then you're able to find tons of different things that you can add to your Instagram stories. Earlier this week, I got a Polaroid background. I'll type it in right now. Polaroid PNG frame. If it has that checkered background, you don't want that. If you click on it and then you see that there's a background that you would like that has the checkered, then you can realize that that is a good one to use. So let's say I like that one. This one is the one that's the good one. It's hard because you sometimes have to sift through a couple. Visit, and then you can click free download, download, I'm not a robot. And there you have it. And then you can save it to your photos. Save image. And then I can go back into my photos. I can hit copy and then go back to Instagram. And add it in right there. So it's a really easy way that you can add different things. So I sized it how I wanted, and then I can go back. I saved a couple of these from earlier. Here's a piece of paper. I can copy and paste it and put it in here as well. And then add sticker, and then I can write Kensley Senior Pictures, because that's from the day that we took this. And then I can put it on the piece of paper. It just adds a little bit extra element to your Instagram stories, which I really like. And so you don't have to have any extra apps or anything like that. You can do all of this in app, which is amazing. So those are all the 5 Instagram tips I had for you for stories. If you want to see any more of these, or if you have any others that you really like, make sure to leave those down in the comments below. And if you have any other questions about Instagram or anything like that, I'd be more than happy to let you guys know everything that I know. So if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching!